Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to Cash App. It's really simple and easy. So how you can transfer money from your Robinhood debit card instantly to Cash App. What you have to do first before you can actually add your Robinhood debit card to Cash App is to add any bank account. You will get the option to access and add a debit card inside of Cash App as soon as you link a bank account. So open up the latest version of Cash App, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and you will be able to access the link banks option under the account and settings category. When you go into your link bank section, you will see the link bank option and what you have to do in there is follow through the prompt to add any bank account. Pick one from the list of institutions and follow the steps. Afterwards, you will be able to go back and select the link debit card or you can input the details about your Robinhood debit card. After you link your Robinhood debit card to Cash App, you will be able to follow the presenting screen to transfer any amount of funds that you have on Robinhood instantly into Cash App. Just make sure you have any bank account and Robinhood debit card properly linked on your account section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.